Switching to Firefox, you can easily import your passwords and bookmarks in just a few steps. In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your data. Open Firefox. Click the menu icon, Pages, in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to Import Browser Data. Click the Import Data button. Choose the browser you want to import from. Click the plus sign to expand data options. Check or uncheck specific data to import: bookmarks, passwords, history, autofill. Click the Import button. Wait for the process to complete. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.